In this video, I will show you how to change Microsoft Edge to use Google instead of Bing. So basically, we are going to change the default search engine in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. Now click on three dots at the top right side for the settings and more. Now click on settings. On the next screen, in the left side, click on Privacy Search and Services. On the right, just click on Search and Connected Experiences. At the bottom, you will find an option Address Bar and Search. Click on Address Bar and Search option. Here, you will find an option Search Engine Use in the address bar. Along with this, you will also find a drop down. Just click on drop down and you will find all the search engines like Bing, Yahoo, Google, DuckDuckGo and Yandex. Here simply select Google, and the next time whenever you search in the address bar or right click any text or image and search on web, this will use Google as a search engine. So that is how you can change Microsoft Edge to search Google instead of Bing. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.